Today's story takes us aboard the Logos Hope, the largest floating book fair in the world. It's not just about books, it's about love, mission, character, life, and all. My co-host Raquel Robinson is also here reporting, bringing you some finer details. Join us as we venture on this bookstore. Hi, I'm Melvin Pennant, and this is PBCJ's Agenda Jamaica.
Hey, I'm Steve Packwood. I come from Scotland, and you're watching PBCJ, the People Station.
Members of the public are out in droves here at Cement Coal Pier, where the Logos Hope ship is docked. For the next month, Jamaicans have the rare opportunity to step aboard this massive vessel, part library, part village, part global volunteer hub. Logos Hope has docked in Kingston and is open to the public. Everywhere you turn on Logos Hope, you hear a new language or discover a different culture. But at the heart of it is all shared in a mission to bring knowledge, help, and hope to communities around the world. We spoke with a member of HR to find out how the ship is kept afloat.
So right now we have about 350 plus crew and staff. And these people are from 65 different countries. And yeah, a lot of vibrant people who are really eager to serve and just give their time to this.
Speaking with former managing director Edward David. Now, David, thanks for stopping by. How has it been managing just a large crew?
Well, it's been a huge opportunity actually. When we have 65 different nationalities, over 300 people. It is a real opportunity. It doesn't mean that we don't have challenges. Challenges of understanding one another is so much different culture-wise. But it is an opportunity to learn from one another. Sometimes we have ways of doing things differently. It doesn't mean it's wrong. It's understanding to know that people do things differently. It's just life, isn't it? Also, sometimes I personally have this saying, don't misunderstand if you don't understand. So learn to understand someone else instead of misunderstanding someone else. So you grow in that environment, but also learning languages is another beautiful thing. And also learning how to do things. Food, so many different types of food that you get to experience. That's another beautiful way of living in a culture of so many different people. But also people have one mission. And our mission is to share knowledge, help, and hope. And based on that, and because everybody has the same mission, and we come with the same goal, so we learn to understand one another much, much better when you have the same focus.
Since we're all coming from very different backgrounds, different places, but one common thing is we are all serving here, we're all volunteering our time since we're a non-profit organization, and each and every person is giving their time, regardless of where they're coming from. So at least we have that common goal. We want to share knowledge, hope, and hope with the communities that we interact with. That is GBA Ship's vision, that's our goal. So when we come into port, our key thing is we want to see knowledge, hope, and hope. We want to share. We receive and we give, and that is a really key thing for us. So having that common goal really helps us all go towards the same direction. When it comes down to just the general management of people, I can tell you it's very interesting, but really I can just say God makes it work. Yeah, God really makes it work.
The Logos Hope isn't just on-the-sea book fair. It is a place where memories are made and opportunities like no other can be found. These are pretty good books.
How is it serving on the Logo ship?
It is going so great. I love it. I love every moment of it. I've been enjoying these last 3 months.
Where are you from originally?
The US,
You're from the US. Where in the US?
North Carolina.
Oh, North Carolina. I've never been to North Carolina, but thanks for serving and enjoy yourself. Oh, you like Jamaica?
Yes, I love it so much. I've been having so much fun exploring, seeing Ocho Rios, Kingston. It's a beautiful country.
We were also able to speak with the media relations officer on board to ask him what makes the fair so special and why Jamaica.
We love Jamaica, and that's the reason why we always want to keep coming back to Jamaica. The last time we came was in 2022, and nearly 100,000 people walked up our gangways. And always we come, you guys accept us with a warm hug. So we keep coming. Whenever we plan for the Caribbean, we make sure we make our stop in Jamaica. And best part is like we just don't do Kingston, but also we get to do Montego Bay also whenever we come. So that's 2 ports in one country, and we spend around 2 or more months in Jamaica whenever we come. So that's the love that we get, and we want to pour it out to the people whenever we come.
And for those of you who don't know, the ship has a little quota. It's 1 million persons per year. And it's a fact that Jamaica is 1/10 of that. It means that you guys have a pretty good supply. And I want to know, where do you get it from?
Great. That's a great question. Our books come from 2 different places. One is from the US and one from Germany. They are our book holds, and there's a special team dedicated to select the books that are supposed to come to the book fair. So when we're in Jamaica, if you walk through the book fair, you will see and get to know a lot of books that make sense for the Jamaican culture, the Jamaican audience, and these are sent via containers, probably a port before or in Jamaica, or like probably 2 or 3 months back, so that we are prepared in the island that we go to. We bring books that are not easily available for the current place, and also books that make sense for the people.
Our goal is to see about 1 million visitors a year. That is our goal, and we have been able to do that in the last couple of years. But in the past, pre-COVID, that's what we did. Every year, able to see about 1 million visitors. But post-COVID, we haven't seen that. Soon after COVID finished, but now we're seeing that again, 1 million visitors per year.
There are many books of myriad of genres on the shelf, but don't let the quantity fool you, because as quickly as they're put out, they're taken out.
So we are open from Tuesday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Sunday from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. here in Kingston, Jamaica.
The ship's bookstore holds over 5,000 titles, covering everything from science and medicine to faith, fiction, and food. But it's the interaction, the conversations, that visitors remember most. The library here on the Logos Hope is very popular with the Jamaican public, as many people come out to get books at a discounted cost.
My name is Sophia, and I am visiting here. I've been here 2 weeks now, and I learned about this ship with a lot of books. And these books are for anyone. Whatever you like, whether it's cooking, cleaning, they have a variety of books that will suit everyone's need. And so far, I'm enjoying my stay here in the wonderful island of Jamaica.
Hi, my name is Laura Verkijk, and I am from Michigan in the United States. You are watching PBC Jamaica, the People's Station.
The Logo Soap offers books which offers stories from right across the world. You're watching PBCJ's Agenda Jamaica. We'll be right back.
Hi, I'm Ricky Roy Sebastian. I'm from India. I work as a media relation officer on board Logo Soap. You are watching PBCJ, the People's Station.
Welcome back to Agenda Jamaica. We're still here on the Logos Hope right here in Kingston, Jamaica.
Living together on a ship means everything together. Meals together, every job together, every challenge is shared. And that builds something rare: connection. The crew represents nearly every continent. It's a floating version of what many of us hope the world could be: collaborative, generous, and open.
Good job, good job, good job, good job.
Volunteers live aboard the ship for months, some even years, contributing wherever they're needed. The crew includes families, children, professionals, and students. To better understand this way of life, we met with one of the personnels and parents here on the ship.
Being a mom is a really special thing because I get to have the benefit of having my kids be able to enjoy the benefits of the ship. We have, in fact, just earlier today, me and our girls, we talked about some of the benefits, and they, as teenagers, can recognize that this is a really sweet place to be.
How has that adjustment period been, not being able to bring things that are sentimental to you because the ship doesn't have a lot of space?
Yeah. So, in fact, when we left with people saying, "Enjoy your cruise," which this isn't a cruise. This is a life. And but one of the benefits that we had as a family is that we had about 2 years to prepare from the time that we started to think about and pray about joining the ship to the time that we joined the ship. And so we had lots of conversations with our kids about, okay, we're not going to have much space. You are going to have to share a room. You're not going to be able to bring all of these things. And we had the kids do the packing so that they were the ones to pack away the things rather than mom and dad say, you can't bring these things. And so they were prepared for those kinds of adjustments, the space adjustments. I think one of the things that we weren't prepared for was living in community, where we work, we play, we do school, we worship together, like all of those things in one small boat.
The diversity in the crew would be something that really stands out. We are around 350 crew members from 65 different nationalities. So I work in an office of 7, and all 7 people are from 7 different nationalities. So some are direct, some are indirect, some come from one certain culture, others from other culture, but you work together in harmony, and that's the beauty of the ship. That's how different people work together for one goal, and that has been my highlight about the entire ship's life.
I really love being on the ship. My husband is the chief mate for a few weeks, so we brought our whole family, our daughter and myself, and we're just really enjoying serving and being together with this wonderful community of people from all around the world, many different countries. It's just really a great opportunity to be here and to meet the wonderful people of Jamaica as well, of course.
Thank you, and we always welcome you guys.
Thank you.
How did your kids take it when you told them that, hey, we're going on a ship?
Well, our daughter had an opportunity to be on the ship 10 years ago when she was 8, and she got to be on the school, and she had wonderful memories of being on the ship. So now that she's 18, we said, well, we're going to come, and this time you're going to work. But she said that would be wonderful, so she was very excited to know that we were coming. So,
Nancy,
yes.
Thank you for talking with us.
You're
and
very
all the
welcome.
best for the rest of your voyage.
Thank you so much.
Make sure that you invest in the community. And I mean, I'm totally partial to the ship family structure. Every person that comes on board is given a ship family. And we, as parents, we have a ship family, and with our ship kids, not only our bio kids, but our ship kids. And our kids love having ship brothers and sisters, and the ship kids that are investing into the family, they have some benefits of having a family feel. And we love it when our ship kids ask us for advice because their parents aren't here, or just have fun with us. And so that is one of the things that I would advise any new recruits, is to invest in your ship family and the community around.
For those interested in volunteering, the ship offers various programs, whether 3 months or up to 2 years or even longer. Whether you came on board for a book, a conversation, or just curiosity, Logos Hope leaves you with something to carry long after the ship sails on.
Yeah, this is Suka from Zambia, serving on board the Logos Hope, and you're watching PBCJ, the People's Channel.
How's your time here on the Logo ship?
Yeah, it's great. Love it. I've just come back for a couple of weeks from Scotland just to help the book fair. So I love it here. I was here in 2010 with when the ship first came to Kingston.
2010?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you've been on a long time with the crew.
Yeah, well, no, I left, but I came back just to help here in Kingston, just for 2 weeks.
Why Kingston?
Because it's one of the busiest ports that we go to. So just come to help the book fair team keep the books stocked up. People in Jamaica love books.
What kind of challenges do you face when you go to ports?
You know, very few challenges actually, because we've been to these places before. There's a lot of relationship with the government. There's a lot of relationship with people that we are in, whether it's the government, the authorities like immigration and customs. They've been very, very supportive. In a place like this, we've been here a few times. Not just the Logos Soap, but also the Logos 2, the Doulos has been here. So there's a lot of positive history in these places.
What can I say? I couldn't help myself. I went in empty-handed, but I came out with books. I learned a lot today, and I plan to learn even more when I get back home. Reporting for PBCJ Agenda Jamaica, I'm Raquel Robinson.
Thanks, Raquel. Now, the Logo Soap will be in Kingston until August 19, so please stop by soon and pick up a book. I have been your host, Melvin Pennant, on this another episode of Agenda Jamaica. See you on the next one.